Hey everyone, in this month we're gonna look into Fire Projectile Part 2, where we actually gonna take our projectile from Part 1, make it move from point A to B. We're gonna also create a cast effect and impact as well for this setup. We're gonna look into collisions and we're gonna set them up, and we're also gonna set up a blueprint with the animation montage for the character so we can spawn everything at the right time. And there will be a little bit of blueprint work, animation, and also the collision for that pillar at the end. And this tutorial is for Unreal Engine and Unity. Both of those are available on 1mafx.com or on Patreon. And as usual, we're just gonna start from scratch and we're gonna build this what you see on my screen together. All right, so let me dive into Unity now. And in here we've got the similar setup, but obviously it's a Unity, so it will be slightly different because we're gonna dive into C# to create the whole system, the collision as well, and we're gonna dive into creating this cast effect and impact as well. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. It's a continuation of the projectile tutorial, where we're actually gonna create the whole system for it, spawning, traveling, and impact. Time everything, make sure that it looks good, and also it's fairly optimized for the project. All right, thank you so much.